Ladies and gentlemen, the Buela family. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Darling Buena.
I wish you all the best.
And thank you po for being a nice sister.
Dear darling, my baby sister. Ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon. Happy, happy birthday. You're just as beautiful as her mother, and she's so proud of you. Happy, happy birthday. I love you.
Happy, happy birthday, my baby girl. 18 ka na ngayon, and now you are a woman, a beautiful woman. And I remember the first time I held you in my hands. Sabi nga ng daddy mo, baka malusaw ka dahil hindi matanggal ang tingin ko sa'yo. Sobra akong happy when you came into our lives. I'm so, so proud of you, anak. And I have a gift for you. This gift also came from my own mama on my debut. So this is a tradition of sort in our family, from the mother to the daughter. So here's for you. May God bless you always, and I love you so, so much, anak.
Bakit kay Darling binigay yung necklace? Hindi ba dapat para sa'yo yun, Celine? Daw ikaw yung panganay. Si Tita Bettina talaga, it's so obvious na siya yung favorite at hindi ikaw eh. It's just so unfair, Celine.
Come, look. There's something for you. Look,
Wow! Thank you, Mommy!
Mwah! O, diba?
Ako po. Pasalubong ko po.
Naku naman, Celine, ang laki-laki mo na. Gusto mo pa ba ng toys? At saka, di ba last week binigyan na kita ng coloring book? Di ba sabi mo yun yung gusto mo? Yun na lang gawin mo, mag-color ka na lang. Tapos yung mga toys, kay Darling na lang, ha, anak? Tapos pwede mo rin i-brush your hair. At, remember kayo dahil may clip din siya.
Mommy!
Darling, bakit?
Can I sleep beside you? Ako din po, Mommy. Patabi po.
Ako, Celine, pag tumabi ka pa sa amin, hindi na tayo magkakasya. Paano pag dumating pa yung daddy mo? Sige na, sleep na lang in your room, ha? Sige na, tulog ka na. It's all sleep na. Anong oras na eh?
It looks beautiful on you, anak.